Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to present you with this Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance. This Tiguan comes with a 2-litre TDI 150 PS engine with automatic transmission and 4-wheel drive. It's finished in a lovely metallic reflex silver and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you can see the stylish 19-inch Auckland alloy wheels, and to the front of the car the IQ Light LED headlights with daytime running lights that provide brilliant visibility at all times of day. Around to the rear you can find the reversing sensors and rear view camera. Coming into the boot, which can be opened automatically, you can see the Tiguan offers generous space for various items, folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. Once you've finished putting your items away, one touch of a button and the boot will close automatically. Into the rear seating and you'll see the interior has the lovely titanium black upholstery, which features a folding central armrest and cup holder combination and ISOFIX mounting points. To the front you'll find your vent controls for temperature adjustment and USB ports for device charging. Coming into the cockpit and you'll find our manually adjustable front seats that guarantee comfort with every drive, cup holders and plenty of space inside the adjustable armrest. The car also has a wireless phone charging station. The multifunction steering wheel features adaptive cruise control and speed limiter functions and controls for the digital cockpit display. Looking at that now, you can flick through some options that include assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, vehicle status and drive data. Moving on to the infotainment system, radio allows you to tune into FM and DAB channels. Telephone allows you to connect your phone for hands-free use. Navigation allows you to find destinations with ease and plan your journey ahead. Assistant will show you that the Tiguan is equipped with IQ Drive, technology that provides a safer, stress-free experience. Media offers various ways to play media, such as Bluetooth. The Tiguan also provides Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. Vehicle will provide the status of your car and can also show driving data. Sound will allow you to change your speaker's equalizer settings and position of audio output. The car's 3-zone automatic climate control with heated seat capabilities are guaranteed to keep you and your passengers warm during the colder months. Driver profile selection is also available for the car to help you customize your driving experience. Front and rear parking sensors and a rear view camera is available for the car to help you navigate through those tight spaces. On the roof of the cabin you'll find a light-up personal mirror, SOS button, LED reading lights and controls for the adjustable panoramic sunroof. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Tiguan Elegance that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.